5 benefits of a tile backsplash for your house. Dear friends, looking to enhance your kitchen or bathroom without going over the top with a whole remodel? While you can update your appliances to stainless steel or install new countertops, you can also install a tile backsplash as well. Here are some benefits to having a backsplash put into your kitchen or bathroom. Increase value of home. When it comes to valuing a home, if you are looking to sell, realtors will often look for the kitchen and bathroom for selling points. Whether there are up-to-date appliances or special features that enhance the experience and value of the room. Backsplashes create a modern and updated feel to a kitchen, as it shows potential buyers that you are keeping up with interior design trends and not having outdated-looking rooms. Quick and easy installation. What makes backsplashes such a sought-after room addition for a kitchen or bathroom is not only because they enhance a room, but because the installation is quick and easy. They also do not take up too much space, so they provide a small accent of enhancement while not taking up too much space to install. Color and design. Backsplashes are perfect if you are looking to add some color or personality to a room. This is because there are a wide variety of colors and patterns you can choose for your backsplash. If you are looking to add an addition to a room and keep the color scheme you have already, there will be a backsplash for that. If you are trying to add something to give a room some pop, then a brightly colored or uniquely patterned backsplash will be perfect to do just that as well. Protection. Backsplashes not only visually enhance a kitchen or bathroom, but they have a functioning purpose as well. Backsplashes' main purposes are to protect walls from food spills and splatters from sinks when you are washing either your hands or dishes. It is inevitable that there will be some splashes of food or dirt, and a backsplash protects your walls from these things. Low maintenance. Whenever you add something to a room or home, maintenance is always something to think about. Since your backsplashes will most likely get dirty protecting your walls, those looking to install these will wonder how hard it will be to clean them. The great thing is that maintenance for backsplashes is very easy to do. Once you are ready to clean them, just take some cleaning fluid and a soft cloth and simply wipe off the tiles. With backsplashes being made of tiles, it will be easy to simply wipe off any dirty areas, as tiles are relatively easy to clean in general. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.